Okay, good day everyone, and this is my first vlog for finding the volume of a cylinder. So, paano ba kinukuha ang volume of cylinder? So, ito yung formula niya. Meron tayong V stands for volume equals pi times R squared times height. Yung value ng pi, itong symbol na to, the value is 3.14. So, let's say for example, yung R stands for radius. Okay? And let's say the radius is 2 centimeters. And then the height is 10 centimeters. So, gagamitin natin yung formula na V equals pi times R squared times H. Okay? So, let's begin. So, pi R times H, and then the value of the value of pi is 3.14 times the value of radius is 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters. Nakalagay kasi R squared. Sabihin ng R squared niyan, it means that the number is multiplied twice. 2 centimeter times 2 centimeter, closing parenthesis, times the height. The value of height is 10 centimeters. Okay. 3.14 again, the value of pi. 3.14 times 2 centimeters times 2 centimeters equals 4 centimeters, 4 squared centimeters, centimeters squared, times 10 centimeters. Okay. So, let's multiply first 3.14 times 4 squared centimeters. Okay? In order to find the product, all you need to do is to multiply. So, we have 3.14 times 4. So, we have 16. 4 times 4 equals 16. 1 times 4 equals 4. Plus 1 equals 5. And 3 times 4 equals 12. So, move 2 places from right to left. 1, 2. So, the decimal point is here. So, that is 12.56. Kapag minultiply mo yung 3.14 times 4 squared centimeters, and that is 12.56 squared centimeters times 10 centimeters. So, let us find out. So, 12.56 times 10. So, we have 6 times 0 equals 0. 5 times 0 equals 0. 2 times 0 equals 0. 1 times 0 equals 0. 6 times 1 equals 6. 5 times 1 equals 5. 2 times 1 equals 2. 1 times 1 equals 1. And then, add. Bring down 0. 0 plus 6 equals 6. We have 5. We have 2 and 1. From 2 places from right to left. So 1, 2, and then 1, 2. And that is 125.60 cubic centimeter. 125.60 cubic centimeter, or you can write as 125.6 cubic centimeter. So, may zero man or wala, pagka decimal numbers, that is correct. Okay? And this is our answer. Okay, what's up guys? Welcome po sa aking Facebook page. At sa araw nito ay tuturuan ko kayo kung paano hanapin ang volume of a cylinder. At ito yung formula na gagamitin natin. Simple lang. So, volume stands for V equals pi times R squared H, wherein pi is equivalent to 3.14, while R, that is radius, and H, that is height. Okay, so let's say if radius is equivalent to 5 centimeters and height is equivalent to 12 centimeters. Let us find the volume of a cylinder if the radius is 5 centimeters and its height is 12 centimeters. So all we need to do is to use the formula V equals pi r squared h. So let's begin answering. So B pi r squared h, wherein pi is equivalent to 3.14. So that is 3.14 multiplied by the radius. The radius is 5 centimeters. So since that it is r squared, it means you are going to multiply the value of radius 5 centimeters 2 times. Dalawang beses mo multiply. So 5 centimeters times 5 centimeters times the value of height equals 12 centimeters. Okay? So we have 3.14. Sasagutan muna yung nasa loob ng parentheses. So we have 5 times 5 and that is 25 centimeters. How many centimeters? So squared centimeters times 12 centimeters. Yan yung height natin. Equals 3.14 times 25. So let's multiply. 3.14 times 25. So 4 times 5 equals 20. Bring down 0. Carry 2. 1 times 5 equals 5. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 3 times 5 equals 15. 4 times 2 equals 8. 1 times 2 equals 2. 3 times 2 equals 6. Then add. So we have 0. 7 plus 8 equals 15. Bring down 5, carry 1. 1 plus 5 equals 6. Plus 2 equals 8. 1 plus 6 equals 7. So move from right place to the left place. So 2 places. 1, 2, and then 1, 2. So and that is 78.50. So when you multiply 3.14 times 25 square centimeters, the answer is 78.50 squared centimeters multiplied by height. Okay. Equals, so let us multiply 78.50 times 12. Okay, so we have 0 times 2 equals 0. 5 times 2 equals 10. Bring down 0, carry 1. 8 times 2 equals 16. Plus 1 equals 17. Bring down 7, carry 1. 7 times 2 equals 14. Plus 1 equals 15. Next, second partial product. So we have 0 times 1 equals 0. 5 times 1 equals 5. 8 times 1 equals 8. And 7 times 1 equals 7. And then add. So we have bring down 0. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 7 plus 5 equals 12. Bring down 2. Carry 1. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 6 plus 8 equals 14. Bring down 4. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Plus 7 equals 9. So from move 2 places from right to the left. So 1, 2, and then 1, 2. And that is 942. The answer is 942 cubic centimeters. So it means that the volume of a cylinder na mayroong radius na 5 centimeters and the height 12 centimeters, yung volume niya is 942 cubic centimeters. Alright.